We knew it was coming. The ACLU bringing suit against the state of Idaho to challenge a new law banning trans female athletes from participating in women's high school and college sports. Idaho, the first state in the country to pass such a law. Our Madeline White has tracked this legislation from the very beginning and has the very latest.
The ACLU, among other groups, now filing a lawsuit to challenge this ban. I heard from Idaho Governor Brad Little on his decision and from a plaintiff in this case.
Expected, but still very painful.
That's how transgender Boise State student Lindsay Hecox describes what it felt like after Governor Little signed the trans female athlete ban into law.
I'm just another person like anyone else, and they have vilified what I'm trying to do.
The 19-year-old says she had hopes of joining the Bronco women's track team in the fall.
They know already that I'm trans, and that test would make sure I'm not on the team.
The NCAA requires transgender girls and women to undergo hormone therapy for at least 1 year in order to be eligible to play. Lindsay says she's currently on hormone replacement therapy, or HRT.
I'm not advocating that I would start competing before I went on HRT, because I do realize that is an advantage. I did go through male puberty, but as the rules are with the NCAA right now, I would be able to compete on starting September 9th.
But now the governor's decision will override that.
I look at everything through what makes common sense, what looks like it's the right thing to do in Idaho.
We caught up with him to learn what went into this decision.
Female athletes, and we've done a lot of work. I'm old enough, I remember when Title IX was passed, and we made a huge movement in allowing young women to participate and have access to athletics. I don't think we ought to do anything to jeopardize that.
He says his intent was not to be discriminatory.
I'm somewhat saddened by people thinking that it was this mean, vindictive action. When I read the bills, that was not my interpretation.
Lindsay is named as a plaintiff in the new lawsuit filed Wednesday in a federal district court. They said they plan to argue that the genetic and genital screenings it could require violate the Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. I'll keep you updated. Madeline White, Idaho News 6.